Welcome, guys. Today I'm going to make the most tastiest fish stew. Enjoy. This is horse mackerel, popularly called Kote. It has been washed, so I'm removing the moisture with a paper towel. This fish is not as tasty as mackerel or Titus. That's my opinion. What do you guys think? These are the spices I will use. Check the description box for the details. So I'll begin by adding minced garlic, curry powder. Next, I'm going to add the garlic powder. In goes the salt. In goes the white pepper. So that's it. I could use a zipper storage bag like this or glove to mix in the spices properly. I'm going to use a glove. If you want, you could add dry ground pepper like I did. So I'll continue to mix in everything uniform. When I'm through with the mixing, I'm going to use a cling wrap to cover it and then marinate in the freezer for 30 minutes. If you are using the fridge, make it 1 hour so that the spices will fully sink in. So it's in the freezer now. Just after 30 minutes, I'm arranging the fish in an oiled baking tray. You could also add a little bit of oil to the fish if you want to. So I'm arranging it properly. I'm going to grill the fish in an oven. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. So you can see the drippings there. I'm going to use everything. So I will flip over the other side and then I'll put it back to grill again for another 10 minutes. But because I want it drier, it's going to take more than 10 minutes, but you could make yours 10 minutes. Okay, it's done grilling. It's very attractive and it's ready to eat. So let's begin with the stew so we do not finish the fish. So I'm going to add a little bit of palm oil. I'm trying to control the palm oil. This is pepper and tomatoes, which has been blended and boiled. I'm going to pour it inside the pot. Then I'm going to add the seasoning cube. I used chicken. So this is the water from the marinade and from the drippings. So I'll just pour that inside and then I'll mix together. Okay, so it's boiling now. I'm going to add the grilled fish and then cook for some time, not too long, so as not to overcook.